Okay, today we are going to look at relays. Just in our last video, we looked at the theory behind relay, but this video we're just going to look at relay in the vehicles and like at a course session, a quick view of relay. Like we know, relay is a switching device that uses a low current circuit to control an high current circuit, as we know the various numbers and terminal. The low current half of the relay is the 85 and the 86, while the high current is the 30 and the 87. Then for some relay we have 87A. So the 30 and that the 30 is power input, while 87 is to the control device. 86, 85 is ground, 86 is from voltage. So like in the circuit diagram, the relay diagram, you have to have it to understand. So today we're just going to be basically looking at the various relay in the vehicles, looking at the relay port, so that majority of what we have learned in our earlier video would be able to see them very well and see them in the car and how they are applied and how they are used in the vehicle. So that's what we'll be doing today. So we're going to go to the vehicle and check it out, but before that, let's see a relay. This video we showed you in our previous video that covers relay. This is a relay, a push relay. This relay was designed for Toyota, Audi and Volkswagen. You'll see the relay. This relay is a 12-volt relay. The 12-volt relay and the 40 ampere relay. If you look beneath, you're going to see numberings. So you must be careful. You must take note of the numberings from our earlier video where we talk about the theory. You now know the importance of these numberings. You need to be aware before you connect. Also, the circuit diagram are also written on the side of the relay, so you have to take note of all this in a relay. So these are the pins. In our video you see the lot of pins. You see the 30 and the 85, and you see the 86 and we see the 30 and the 87 opposite each other with kind of a way they were arranged, not perfectly replica of those sides. But when you see the 85 and the 86, they are like double. They are like a mirror image of themselves. So that's for that. For the relay, you can see the leads. They are still intact. Now let's check this vehicle and check the various locations of relay. There could be several relays in the vehicles. Okay, let's pull off over the hood. Okay, I just pull on the hood puller. So we're here. Okay, this is a Toyota Corolla 1996 model. So we just pull out the bonnet and here we are. Pardon the video. I didn't have an IP on typing of the video, so just watch. And over there you can see a relay bus. There are two buses here containing fuses and relay in the sky. So this is a relay bus with various degree of relay. As you can see, there are so much relay here. So depending on the electronic configuration of the car, you can have several relays. These relays with different rating. Most of their description are always written on the body of the relays. And that's for that. So we're gonna go over to the next fuse bus or relay bus. Let's see what we get in the What are these multiples of more relays powering the various circuits? You should also check the relay bus cover and see what we have there. So this relay now, if you look at this relay here that was bridged, okay, this is it. As you can see, this is a bridge relay. The 86, sorry, the 30 and the 85 has been bridged. It will work in the system. This is a wrong engineering practice by pushing. The relay was 40 and they just use this cable or this wire to just bridge it so that the device operates just like that without a relay. This is a bridged system. The relay port has been bridged. I'm just using it to explain to you that this is a way you can easily bypass the relay and bridge the system. But it's wrong. But we're not going to be fixing this or rectifying it because the owner didn't pay us to do that. So these are the various relays. You can see their description on them. Some of their description, the rating, the power rating. If you look at the site carefully, you may be able to see the relay, the circuit diagram, the relay circuit diagram. So that is the relay bus. I also think there are also other relays because you have several relays in the vehicle. I think there's also another relay bus, but we're gonna look at. So like that bridge system, we are not going to be rectifying it. These are the descriptions of the various fuses and relay in this bus, but this kind of wiped that. So we're going to check another relay bus also. Wow, we have this in it. You can see what we have here, the various description of what we have here. So let's open up and see what we've got here. This kind of was the various devices powering are written on top. So as you can see, you can also see we have two relays here. So there can be various places where you can find your relays in the vehicle. Those are always written in the vehicle service manual. That's why I told you you'll be needing for electrical repairs. You'll be needing a vehicle service manual and your wiring diagram. You can see. Now let's try and see how to fit this relay down into this spot. Imagine this bypass spot. We are not having the bypassed cable. Okay, so if we were to fix it, you can see you just fix it cable to cable and it just fits in. But the owner hasn't paid us to do this, and we are not the ones who bypass it. So it was done by wrong practice by another mechanic, but we're not fixing it since we are not being paid to do that job. So those are some tricks in bypassing relays and all that. But before you take such procedure, you must be careful to know the system and to know what to do and why you're doing that. Okay, now with this we finally understand what relays are and how to where they are located in the vehicles, and that's that.